Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kids Cookbook is probably one of the most exciting and educational resources for young chefs aged 8 to 12, offering a fantastic opportunity to engage children in the culinary arts through age-appropriate recipes, vibrant photos, and easy-to-follow instructions, fostering creativity, building confidence in the kitchen, and making cooking a fun family activity that creates lasting memories and promotes healthy eating habits. Number 5. Young Chef's Cookbook. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure. This cookbook is your passport to creating delicious and exciting meals. It's packed with over 100 recipes, designed especially for young chefs like you. You'll find something to love, no matter your skill level. Each recipe includes simple, step-by-step instructions and clear photos, making cooking fun and accessible. From tasty appetizers to satisfying main courses and delightful desserts, it has it all. Prepare to impress your family and friends. It's more than just a cookbook, it's a journey of culinary discovery. You'll learn new skills and techniques with every recipe you try. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. This cookbook is your key to unlocking a world of culinary creativity. What we like. It has a wide variety of recipes that are simple to follow. If you are looking for a cookbook with tons of delicious options for young chefs, this is it. This cookbook is perfect for kids who want to explore different cuisines and cooking techniques. What people say. This cookbook features over 100 delicious recipes that are not only easy to follow but also fun to make. From breakfast to dinner, snacks to desserts, this cookbook has it all. Recipes are simple enough that kids can make corrections if they make a mistake. Great for beginners. The recipes are simple and easy for kids and beginners. Contains helpful tips. Number 4. Baking Book for Young Chefs. Welcome to the world of baking. This book is your guide to creating delicious treats, both sweet and savory. Get ready to explore a world of cakes, cookies, and pies. It's filled with simple recipes perfect for young bakers. But it's not just about sweets. You'll also find savory recipes to expand your baking skills. Each recipe is designed to be easy to understand and follow, even for beginner bakers. Let's get started. These recipes are perfect for sharing with friends and family. Baking together is even more fun. Once you've baked your treats, don't forget to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Happy baking! What we like. This one is packed with sweet and savory baking recipes. If you enjoy baking and sharing your creations with others, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for kids who love to experiment in the kitchen and create delightful treats for friends and family. What people say. Great recipes with a ton of information and clear instructions. Pretty pictures, easy instructions for young teens, or older, to cook up delicious food. Each recipe is simple and easy to follow and is laying a foundation of good, solid basics. Every time he makes something new, his confidence increases along with his interest in cooking and baking. Number 3. Food Network Kids Baking Book. Get ready for a delicious adventure. This cookbook is filled with 110+ recipes perfect for young bakers. It has simple instructions and colorful photos, making baking easy and fun for everyone. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Baking is a great way to spend time with family and friends. It's a delicious way to bond and create memories. From cookies and cakes to pies and more, it has something for every sweet tooth. Prepare to be amazed by your creations. Gather your ingredients and let's get started. This book will guide you through each step of the way. It's designed to be accessible and engaging for kids, making baking a joyful experience. Let your creativity shine. What we like. It features recipes from the well-known Food Network. If you trust the Food Network's expertise and want kid-friendly recipes, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who are fans of the Food Network and want to try recipes from their favorite chefs. What people say. My 8-year-old niece is just beginning to learn baking with her mom, and this book has simple recipes for her to try. Every recipe is easy and delicious to make. Sure to keep the party going and the kids interested. This is a great cookbook with desserts that kids can make pretty easy with guidance from mom or dad. The pictures are colorful and delicious also. Number 2. Tovla Junior Kids Cooking Set. It's the perfect gift for your young chef. This complete set has everything they need to start cooking and baking, all in a handy portable case. We use only safe, non-toxic, food-grade materials. It's designed to build your child's confidence and kitchen skills. The included recipe book has delicious and easy-to-follow recipes, perfect for cooking together. It's a great way to bond and build confidence. Stylish and gender-neutral, it inspires creativity. The apron helps keep things tidy while they explore their culinary talents. From rolling dough to using the knives, it helps improve dexterity and hand-eye coordination. It's a fun and educational way to learn. What we like. It comes with a complete set of kid-safe cooking tools and a recipe book. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit to help your child learn to cook safely and develop their skills, this is the one. It's perfect for parents who want to encourage their children's culinary interests in a safe and fun way. What people say. This gift set includes everything kids need to start cooking and baking like real chefs. From utensils and measuring tools to mixing bowls and cookie cutters, it provides all the essentials for a fun and educational cooking experience. The included cookbook features a variety of kid-friendly recipes that are easy to follow and fun to make. It provides step-by-step instructions, helpful tips, and colorful illustrations that inspire creativity and culinary exploration. The utensils are real, do work and are sturdy. My granddaughter loved being able to use tools fit for her and help cook supper for everyone. Number 1. GirlZone Cake Pop Craze Kit. It's time to get creative in the kitchen. This kit has everything you need to make delicious cake pops. With molds, a stand, decorating pen, and even gifting bags, you'll be ready to create and share your tasty treats. This kit includes all the tools you need, like a mixing spatula and silicone melting pot, for easy and fun baking. Making cake pops is a great way to develop your creativity and coordination, all while having a blast. Even if it's your first time, the included instruction manual with easy recipes and decorating techniques will guide you every step of the way. Looking for a fun and unique gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for making cake pops. If you're looking for a fun and easy baking project for kids, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who enjoy decorating and creating unique treats, especially for parties or gifts. What people say. They had so much fun with this little baking kit. This little set produced mini cookies, brownies, and muffins. The kids had a load of fun, the memories were worth every cent. Good instructions, everything you need to make lovely cake pops, and it all stores away in a cute box. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.